and welcome back to the PBIS Rewards Discovery Series. Let's quickly review our first option in redeeming, which is the store. When we talk about our school store versus my store, there are some differences between the two. In the school store, that is going to be visible to all members of the staff, and all staff members can also sell items from the school store to their students. Students can also purchase items from the school store if this feature is turned on by those that have administrative rights. The difference with my store or the individual teacher store, it is only visible to that teacher, and only that teacher can sell items from that store. Students can purchase from that teacher's individual store if that option is also turned on in the administrative settings that allows student purchases. Let's go next into the system and look at how we can utilize the school store and my store. So here we are in the web portal, and we are on the left side looking at the tab that says stores. So we have one option here for the school store. Some things that you might want to sell in the school store might include school spirit items or privileges that can only be given by specific people, like being the principal for the day, or items that can only be sold school-wide, such as tickets to a sporting event. In my store or the individual teacher store, you might think about school supplies that students enjoy or privileges that a staff member could offer, like preferential seating while in class or lunch with a teacher, those things that build relationships, or bringing in items to share, like a stuffed animal, or items to use, like technology use during class. So lots of options between the two. We're going to go ahead and go into the school store to look at some options on how to really make this work. So here in the school store, we have items set up here by categories, and each item underneath that is going to be listed along with the amount that it costs for that item. We are going to look at next how you can add an item to the store. So we're going to come up here to the pencil that says Edit Store. And this will list all of our items. And again, anytime you see anything that's green, that's going to be adding something. So we're going to add an item. And here we can start filling in information for our new item. So we are going to add in our new spirit shirts. Decide what category that's going to go in, maybe our fun stuff. Decide what the price is going to be, 50 points. If I want to make it visible or not, and if I'm going to allow students to purchase it. You can decide again about your inventory and your quantity to notify you when those things have gone below a specific inventory amount, and adding a photo. A description can also be added here, and I'm going to click Save. And that item is going to be added to my school store and be available for purchase. So the school store and my store work very similar. The difference is who can see those items and who can sell the items. Thank you so much for joining us to review information about the store. Come back next time for information about events.